COMOSYS is a general-purpose engineering software in which all types of structures can be modeled in 3D, analyzed and designed according to various specifications. Furthermore, steel, concrete, electrical and mechanical disciplines can be fully detailed, and all types of general arrangement and shop drawings can then be obtained automatically from this model. With COMOSYS, one is not restricted to any particular type of structure. From the most complex of industrial plants to everyday residential buildings, from stadiums to silos, conveyor bridges to complex equipment foundations, any conceivable structure can be easily detailed right down to the nuts and bolts, welds and rebars, claddings, electrical raceways, cables, fixtures, mechanical details, and any other feature required to complete the 3D model. Finite element analysis is at the heart of COMOSYS. Without any need of transferring your model to a third-party software, you are able to perform the static and dynamic analyses of your structure right inside COMOSYS itself. With a fully automated mesh generator, the user can produce the most complex mesh effortlessly, while the powerful graphical user interface allows for easy inspection of results. With nonlinear capabilities, the cumbersome task of not allowing any soil tension in the foundations becomes a walk in the park. COMOSYS can perform the design checks of structural steel elements according to AISC ASD, AISC LRFD, Eurocode 3, and TS 648 specifications. By setting up extremely intuitive design scenarios, you can make COMOSYS optimize and select the most appropriate profile for you, speeding up the design process immensely. Modeling the structural steel connections is one of the most time-saving features of COMOSYS. With a few mouse clicks, you can arrive at a fully designed and actually executable connection in seconds. Being fully integrated with the structural analysis, these customizable connections are intelligent objects in themselves, requiring almost zero manual intervention, although that option is always there. With the InteliConnect add-on, the time required to model connections, which is already much faster than other competitors, is reduced even more. COMOSYS boasts an ever-increasing library comprising of almost all widely used connections, while allowing the user to add user-defined components just in case a novel or complicated case comes along. The goal of being general purpose is also evident when it comes to concrete structures. For instance, even complicated industrial structures with intimidating details can easily be modeled in COMOSYS. Features like embedded steel and anchor bolts can be incorporated, and the bill of quantities for the poured concrete, rebars, and formwork, etc. can be directly extracted. Modeling rebar inside non-standard concrete shapes is a daunting challenge. With its unique and flexible approach, COMOSYS makes the placement of 3D rebar in the most complicated of shapes extremely easy. The revolutionary surface reinforcement technology allows the user to place dozens of rebars with a single command. Standard elements like beams, columns, slabs, foundations are of course automatically handled through intelligent macros. Once the rebars are in place, their numbering and preparation of rebar drawings is an automatic feature which saves valuable time. COMOSYS extends the idea of 3D modeling to the electrical discipline as well. Cables, cable trays, raceways, elbows, and other fittings, cable tray supports, electrical panels, consumers, and many other constituents of an electrical system can be modeled in COMOSYS. This modeling is specification driven, so it is entirely in accordance with company standards, and these standards can be customized easily. By using the 3D model, 2D plans, sections, and part details are automatically extracted by COMOSYS, minimizing human error. COMOSYS provides an off-the-shelf solution for the modeling and detailing of tanks. With this module, the roof, base, main shell plates, nozzles, manholes, foundations, and other details can quickly be modeled in 3D by entering a few parameters. 2D plans and sections and unfolded drawings of individual plates, along with bills of quantities needed for manufacturing, are then automatically produced by COMOSYS without the user having to do anything. In order to view, organize, and print general arrangement and shop drawings, COMOSYS provides the user with an integrated drawing module. In addition to the usual dimensioning and annotating commands, it offers many features which make the handling of thousands of drawings easy. With these features built right into COMOSYS, the user does not need to use any other CAD program like AutoCAD to complete the job. For steel structures, assembly drawings, single part drawings, material lists, etc. are produced with the click of a button. General arrangement drawings are also automated, merely asking the user as to where to take the plans and sections from. For concrete structures too, the plans and sections of the most complex structures are created effortlessly, while rebar drawings of standard templates like beams and columns, etc., are completely automatic. Those of non-standard elements are just a wee bit more involved. All these features are fully customizable, and man-hour reduction as compared to competitors is guaranteed.